Have you ever imagined a motorcycle that doesn't just drive, but thinks? One that balances itself, follows your every move, and even takes off with the push of a button? Get ready, because these machines aren't science fiction anymore. They're real, intelligent, and redefining what it means to ride. For over a century, motorcycles have been powered by noise, fuel, and steel. Now, they're driven by AI, robotics, and electricity. These next-generation bikes don't just move, they adapt. They sense your posture, your speed, even your mood, creating a seamless connection between human and machine. From Japan to Europe, engineers are racing to build motorcycles that can balance themselves, learn your habits, and even fly. Today, we're counting down 8 groundbreaking machines that prove the future of travel is already here. And number 1, it might just make gravity obsolete. 8. Yamaha MOTOROiD 2, the intelligent companion. Get ready, because what you're about to see isn't just the future of motorcycles. It's the birth of a new kind of companion. Number 8. Yamaha MOTOROiD 2, a machine that doesn't simply respond to your commands, it understands them. This isn't a vehicle you ride, it's one that rides with you. Beneath its sculpted frame lies a fully electric architecture, a precision-engineered rear hub motor powered by a compact, underslung lithium battery pack. There are no gears, no delay, just seamless torque and whisper-quiet acceleration. The body itself is alive with intelligence. A self-balancing system that uses active mass center control and a tilting chassis to remain perfectly upright, even when standing still. But the real magic lies in its brain, Yamaha's experimental AI neural network, trained to recognize and anticipate your movements. High-resolution cameras and biometric sensors track your body language, your gestures, even your facial expressions. With a single motion or voice command, it can roll toward you, autonomously navigating obstacles like a faithful mechanical companion. The design isn't just futuristic, it's emotional. A hybrid carbon metal frame gives it strength and flexibility. The rear module pivots independently from the front, allowing each half of the motorcycle to lean naturally, mimicking the fluidity of a living creature. When you approach, the bike doesn't just idle, it bows, inviting you to climb on, like it recognizes its rider's presence. Speed? Around 120 kilometers per hour. Torque? Instant. Every twist of the throttle delivers pure, linear power. No vibration, no lag, only precision. The haptic feedback built into the seat and handlebars adjusts to your posture in real time, subtly correcting your balance as if it's reading your thoughts. Yamaha calls it an emotional mobility platform, but what it really is a conversation between man and machine. This is where transportation ends and symbiosis begins. Imagine losing your bike in a crowded parking lot and simply calling it to you, watching it roll forward, self-balancing, searching for your face in the crowd. The MOTOROiD 2 isn't just a concept, it's a signal. A glimpse into a future where motorcycles don't just move us through the world, they connect with us on a human level. It's a partnership of steel and code, emotion and engineering, the kind of innovation that redefines what riding really means. Hashtag 7. Voxan Wattman, the speed demon. Voxan Wattman. Are you ready to witness the complete redefinition of electric speed? Because this next machine doesn't just go fast, it obliterates the concept of limits. Number 7. Voxan Wattman. A motorcycle so powerful, it rewrote the laws of aerodynamics and set 21 world speed records in a single run. Built in Monaco by the legendary Venturi Group, the Wattman isn't designed for streets, it was born for records. Beneath its sculpted frame lies a liquid-cooled permanent magnet motor, generating an astonishing 150 kilowatts, or roughly 203 horsepower, with a mind-bending 200 newton-meters of torque. That's the kind of power that doesn't just accelerate, it erupts. From a standstill, it launches to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 point, and in its record spec configuration, it rockets past 456 kilometers per hour, faster than a private jet taking off. The secret lies in its aerodynamic aluminum monocoque chassis, a design so smooth it slices through air like a scalpel. Every curve, every angle was sculpted for one purpose: to destroy drag. Even the front suspension abandons traditional forks for a double wishbone setup, ensuring perfect stability when tearing across the Kennedy Space Center runway, where racing legend Max Biaggi rode it into history. To feed this electric beast, Voxan engineered a custom 15.9 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, weighing about 140 kilograms, integrated directly into the frame for optimal balance. The entire machine tips the scales at just 296 kilograms, light enough to float across the asphalt, yet strong enough to handle forces that would shred a normal motorcycle to pieces. But here's the most shocking part. There's no fuel, no roar, no smoke. When the Wattman flies by, the only thing you hear is the wind itself. It's the sound of progress, of pure electricity rewriting what performance means. The Voxan Wattman isn't just the fastest electric motorcycle ever built. It's proof that the electric future isn't quiet and tame, it's ferocious. A symbol that silence can be powerful, precision can be beautiful, and the future of speed might just run on volts, not gasoline. Number 6. BMW Vision Next 100. It isn't a concept built for the next model year, it's designed for the next century, envisioning the world of 2130. A world where falling is impossible, helmets are obsolete, and machines anticipate danger before it happens. At first glance, it looks like a time traveler on two wheels, a matte black triangular frame glowing with the iconic BMW logo. But this isn't a static design, it's a living structure. The Vision Next 100 features a flex frame chassis made entirely from carbon fiber composites. The frame itself bends dynamically for steering. No traditional forks, no joints. When you turn, the entire body flexes with you, creating fluid, organic motion that makes every corner feel effortless. Underneath that sculpted frame lies a zero-emission electric drive unit, disguised to resemble BMW's classic boxer engine. But unlike its gas-powered ancestors, this engine expands and contracts while riding, a breathing design that adjusts airflow and aerodynamics on the fly. BMW engineers haven't revealed the official specs, but simulations suggest up to 100 kilowatts of output, approximately 134 horsepower, top speeds around 160 kilometers per hour, 99 miles per hour, and an estimated 200-kilometer range per charge, more than enough to glide through tomorrow's cities in complete silence. The most revolutionary feature? It balances itself. Thanks to a network of gyroscopic stabilizers, the Vision Next 100 stands upright even when parked. You can step off, and it simply waits, poised, motionless, aware. It corrects your lean automatically, making it virtually impossible to tip over. Instead of a helmet, riders wear BMW's Vision glasses, a sleek pair of augmented reality eyewear that overlays critical information directly into your line of sight. Speed, navigation, hazards, even lean angle, all displayed in real time like a fighter jet HUD. The bike and rider share constant data, communicating as one. Even the tires are adaptive, morphing their tread pattern to suit weather and terrain. Every surface moves, breathes, and reacts. It's less a motorcycle and more a living interface between human instinct and machine precision. The BMW Vision Next 100 is more than design. It's a promise, a world without crashes, without noise, without limits. a mind-reading guardian that turns motion into art, speed into serenity, and safety into something beautifully invisible. Number 5. Honda Riding Assist, the invisible hand. Number 5. Honda's Riding Assist, unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show (CES) in 2017. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary bike, minimalist design, clean frame, and no futuristic gimmicks. But hidden beneath that simplicity lies one of the greatest breakthroughs in motorcycle engineering, a machine that can balance itself perfectly. The Riding Assist uses the same core robotics technology that powers Honda's Asimo humanoid robot. Deep inside, it's packed with gyroscopic sensors, inertial measurement units, and a self-adjusting steering system that works up to 100 times faster than human reflexes. Even when it's stationary, the system constantly shifts the front fork and adjusts the handlebar alignment by millimeters, keeping the center of gravity perfectly balanced.
When tested in Honda's R&D labs, engineers demonstrated the bike moving at just 3 kilometers per hour, completely upright, no rider, no kickstand, no tricks. And when the rider climbs on, the bike subtly corrects every movement, keeping perfect harmony between man and machine. The result? A motorcycle that's virtually impossible to tip over, even for beginners. The base platform is built on the Honda NC750 chassis, powered by a 745cc parallel twin engine in early prototypes, though the concept can scale from smaller 250cc variants. It weighs roughly 238 kilograms, maintaining the feel of a real motorcycle while hiding an advanced robotic stabilizer beneath. And it's not just about balance, it's about freedom. The AI-controlled suspension automatically adjusts damping and height depending on road conditions. Steering servos guide micro-corrections, keeping riders stable on uneven surfaces or tight corners. It's as if an invisible expert were riding with you, ensuring every turn feels effortless. Honda's goal is simple but bold: to make motorcycle accidents from loss of balance a thing of the past. Imagine a world where even a new rider could stop at a red light, let go of the handlebars, and never worry about falling. The Honda Riding Assist isn't just a new bike, it's a guardian, a teacher, and a revolution in mobility. When robotics and motorcycles unite, balance becomes not just a skill, but an unshakable promise. Rocket. Number 4. Volinaut Airbike, the Skyrider. Volinaut Airbike, a German-engineered marvel infused with cutting-edge Chinese microturbine technology. It's the world's first truly compact jet-powered flying motorcycle, capable of turning an ordinary street into your personal runway. Unlike most hover bikes that rely on bulky propellers or dangerous exposed rotors, the Airbike replaces them with 4 electric microjets, each producing precise bursts of thrust. Together, they create a stable cushion of air that can lift the bike up to 3 meters, approximately 10 feet above the ground. That means smooth, controlled flight over traffic, rough terrain, or water, all without the terrifying spin of exposed blades. Built from carbon fiber composites and 3D printed titanium components, the Volinaut weighs an astonishing 80 kilograms, 176 pounds. Its frame is minimalist, aerodynamic, and designed to handle both the stress of takeoff and the demands of street-level handling. Beneath it, a redundant flight computer stabilization system constantly makes micro-adjustments up to 200 times per second to keep the craft balanced in every direction. The heart of the Airbike lies in its Chinese-designed electric micro-turbine array, capable of delivering thrust equivalent to 200 horsepower combined. In test conditions, prototypes have reached top speeds around 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, and flight durations of 10 to 17 minutes per charge, depending on payload and weather. Its advanced lithium nanopolymer battery can recharge in just under an hour using a 240-volt quick charge system. But the real revolution isn't speed, it's silence. With no visible propellers, the Volinaut operates at less than 70 decibels, making it one of the quietest air vehicles ever built. That low noise signature and its enclosed microjets make it safe for dense urban spaces, even near pedestrians. The cockpit is open, giving the rider a full 360-degree panoramic view, and its onboard HUD projects altitude, battery status, and velocity directly onto a transparent visor. It feels less like a motorcycle and more like piloting a speeder bike from a sci-fi dream. The Volinaut Airbike is more than a prototype. It's a preview of the 2030s, where traffic jams belong to history and flight becomes personal. A future where your morning commute doesn't begin with wheels, but wings. Number 3. Lit Motors C1, the Un-Tippable revolution. Lit Motors C1, an American-built electric vehicle that defies gravity and rewrites what two wheels can do. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a fusion between a car's safety and a bike's agility, wrapped in a capsule of futuristic engineering. The secret lies in its dual gyroscopic stabilizers, each spinning at over 12,000 revolutions per minute. These powerful gyros create a force strong enough to counterbalance the entire vehicle's weight. Even if a car crashes into it from the side, the C1 doesn't topple. It leans, absorbs the hit, then rights itself automatically. The result? A two-wheeled machine that simply refuses to tip over. Under the sleek shell lies a 200-kilometer electric range, powered by a lithium-ion battery pack. Its motor pushes a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, approximately 99 mph, all with zero emissions and near-silent operation. That means pure acceleration and freedom, without the roar or the risk. Step inside, and the illusion shatters. It's not a motorcycle cockpit. It's an enclosed, climate-controlled two-seat cabin, complete with air conditioning, airbags, and touchscreen controls. The design borrows heavily from automotive safety standards, giving riders a steel-reinforced shell that acts like a roll cage. You steer with handlebars, accelerate with pedals, and glide through traffic like a ghost between lanes. The C1's advanced onboard computer constantly monitors lean angle, speed, and traction, making tiny adjustments to maintain balance. Its fly-by-wire control system connects every movement to the gyroscopes, ensuring the bike feels fluid and stable even during tight cornering. Every motion feels intuitive, like the machine knows what you're about to do before you do it. With a weight of just 360 kilograms, approximately 794 pounds, and a footprint smaller than a compact car, it's designed for urban chaos, to slip through gridlocked streets with the safety of a car and the efficiency of an e-bike. The Lit Motors C1 is more than a motorcycle. It's a rebellion against falling, against fear, against limits. A vehicle that turns every road into a dance of stability and style. It doesn't just balance itself, it balances the future. Battery 2. Johammer J1200, the Electric Whisper. Johammer J1201. Johammer J1202. Johammer J1203. Number 2. Johammer J1200, an electric masterpiece from Austria that's rewriting what it means to ride. It doesn't roar, it whispers. And in that whisper lies one of the most radically efficient machines ever built. At first glance, the J1200 looks nothing like a motorcycle. Its body curves like a shell, with no visible engine, no exhaust, no chain. But that's the point. Every curve is a statement of simplicity. This strange, insect-like silhouette hides some of the most advanced electric engineering in Europe, powered by a Chinese-supplied drivetrain system designed for seamless torque delivery and zero maintenance. Underneath its aluminum frame rests a 12.7 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, producing a real-world range of 200 kilometers, approximately 124 miles, on a single charge. The 72-volt power system delivers energy to an 11-kilowatt DC-excited synchronous hub motor sealed inside the rear wheel. That's right, the motor is the wheel. There are no chains, no belts, no gears, and no oil changes, just pure direct motion. The J1200 weighs a mere 178 kilograms, approximately 392 pounds, and can glide silently to a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, approximately 81 miles per hour. Charging? Just 3.5 hours from a standard 230-volt outlet, or under 80 minutes using a fast charger. And once full, that battery can do more than move you. It can power everything else. The J1's onboard inverter lets riders plug in electronics, tools, or camping gear, turning the bike into a portable generator with off-grid capabilities. Every surface of the bike is designed to reduce friction. Aerodynamic fairings, a low center of gravity, and a riding position that feels like sitting in the future. Its digital cockpit displays energy flow, temperature, and regenerative braking in real time. The Johammer J1200 isn't built to be loud, fast, or flashy. It's built to endure, to outlast every combustion engine on the road. It's quiet, elegant, and entirely self-sufficient. A motorcycle that doesn't shout for attention because it earns it through brilliance. Number 1. Lazareth LMV 496, the Flying Transformer. Lazareth LMV 496, the world's first dual-mode flying motorcycle, born in France and co-engineered with Chinese aerospace partners. It's the machine that turns science fiction into engineering fact, a 470 horsepower land rocket that becomes an aircraft at the push of a button. On the ground, the LMV 496 behaves like a superbike from another planet. It's powered by a Maserati V8 hybrid engine, producing an earth-shaking 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, capable of hitting 280 kilometers per hour, 174 miles, on the open road. The chassis is crafted from Kevlar and carbon fiber, combining strength and feather-light weight in a body that looks sculpted by air itself. But then, everything changes. With a single switch, the LMV 496 transforms, literally. Each of its 4 wheels tilts outward 90 degrees, revealing jet turbine boosters hidden inside. These P400 turbojets, spinning at merely 96,000 RPM, deliver a combined 2,800 newtons of thrust, the equivalent of 1,300 horsepower of vertical lift. Within seconds, the 140-kilogram machine rises gracefully into the air, hovering 2 meters above the ground like a scene straight out of Blade Runner. It flies on kerosene hybrid fuel cells, stabilized by a gyro-assisted AI flight computer that automatically corrects balance and tilt, keeping the rider steady even in crosswinds. In flight mode, it can hover for up to 10-12 minutes, transitioning between modes seamlessly. Its onboard avionics include a digital flight HUD, altitude sensors, and automatic throttle modulation, all controlled through an interface that blends motorcycle familiarity with aircraft precision. Each LMV 496 is hand-built in Annecy, France, and only 5 units exist worldwide. The price? A jaw-dropping €496,000, nearly €500,000 for a piece of the future. The Lazareth LMV 496 isn't just a vehicle, it's a declaration, a fusion of art, aerospace, and adrenaline. Because for the first time ever, humanity doesn't just ride the road, we rise above it. From AI-driven companions to flying machines, motorcycles are no longer metal and fuel, they're intelligence on wheels. They balance themselves, learn from you, and break the laws of physics, all while staying silent. This is more than evolution, it's transcendence. So if motorcycles can now think, fly, and protect us, what's next for human travel?
Will we still be riders or just passengers of our own imagination? Which of these futuristic motorcycles blew your mind the most? Tell us your pick down in the comments. If these next-generation rides impressed you as much as they did us, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe so you won't miss the next wave of innovation redefining the future of mobility.